Alam mo kasi, historically, from the yung tubig na yung the waves ba, yung balod ba? Ang inhangot balod. From there, you count noon the 3 mile. Yun noon the original concept. But by international agreement, ito in-extend yan ng 12 miles. Kasali na ang hindi territorial yan. Though we do not exercise sovereignty beyond it. Ito lang yun economic zone natin. Parang in the sense that it was a part of a global agreement na iyo itong hanggang dito. Pero wala talaga yan historically. 3 miles lang yan noon. Yun lang yung territory mo. Ito